that?
And also this is a DIY car alarm system. This is main unity. Clip this main unity to this sound meter in your car. Just like this. Just like this. Yes. This is a USB slot. Inside your car USB slot. The two remotes LCD, LED, one way, two way. Now I will test shock alarm and air pressure alarm. Air pressure alarm is related to the car door. Just you open the car door, it will change the atmosphere air pressure in this car, and this main unity will recognize this atmosphere changes. It will make alarm, and your LCD remote will get alarm information. And there is one icon of our car door is open in this LCD. It is displayed on this LCD screen. Okay. Now when you just like this hit the car, it will make shock alarm, and the LCD alarm remote has a shock icon on this LCD screen. Okay. Firstly, I show you shock alarm. Okay. You test the shock alarm in arm status. Okay. Now, when it make alarm, this main unity will flash and the beep 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 just like this flash, and the siren will make a constant sounds. I get it out of the car. Now this siren, okay. Siren, this is positive and negative. Connect the car battery. Now this arm B. Okay, I hit the car. You will watch this screen LCD remote. Yes, there is a shock icon. Yes, hammer the car. Yes, BBB. This is the unity. Yes. Yes, open the car door, and also make the open the car door alarm. Yes, open the car door. Yes. This is shock alarm, and my unity will make a constant beepers and a flashlight. Try it again. On. Okay. I hit the car. Yeah. Yes, shock alarm. As you can see, this 还有这遥控器。Yes, shock alarm. Yeah. Open the car door. Yes. Open the car door. Yes. There is icon car door flash on the LCD screen. Yes. And this main unity BBB, just like the BBB flash and the siren make it constant. Thank you for watching.